1. Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3. New weather icons and search bar tweaks explained. 2. Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 released. Pixel update fixes and installation guide. 3. Android 16 Beta 3 update. Top 9 bug fixes for Pixel devices. 1. Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3. New weather icons and search bar tweaks explained. Imagine flipping through your phone's home screen and suddenly spotting vibrant, expressive weather icons that pop right out at you, especially when you're catching a glimpse on the always-on display. That's exactly what Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 brings back, after a brief detour with simpler, monochrome icons. But here's where it gets interesting. Google is tweaking more than just the weather visuals. They've also revamped the Pixel Launcher search bar to blend seamlessly with your home screen theme. So let's dive into the details. When Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 rolled out, one of the most noticeable changes was the return of colorful weather icons in both the at-a-glance section and the always-on display. In the previous beta, Google had experimented with a more minimalist, white icon set that was smaller and less expressive. While these new icons might seem more cluttered at first glance, they offer a distinct advantage. They're much easier to recognize quickly, which is crucial when you're glancing at your phone's display without fully unlocking it. This shift in weather icon design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about usability. The new icons stand out against the background, unlike the previous ones that often blended in with a date and day displayed above them. These changes are visible at the top of your home screen, right beneath the lock screen clock, and on the always-on display, ensuring you get a clear weather update at a glance. But the updates don't stop there. The Pixel Launcher search bar has also undergone some subtle yet significant changes. The icons for voice search, Google Lens, and AI mode are now dynamically themed to match the rest of your home screen. This means that instead of having a fixed color scheme, these icons adopt the same color palette as your home screen, making the search bar look less cluttered and more cohesive. One of the benefits of this dynamic theming is that it draws more attention to the gradient G logo at the left side of the search bar. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes the search bar feel more integrated with the rest of your home screen experience. This updated search bar design is also reflected at the top of the app grid, ensuring consistency across different parts of the interface. So what do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the return of colorful weather icons and the dynamically themed search bar? Or do you prefer the simplicity of the previous designs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 released. Pixel update fixes and installation guide. Get ready for the latest Android update. Google is releasing Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3, and it's packed with exciting changes and improvements. This quarterly platform release promises to be a game changer, offering more significant updates than your typical monthly bug fixes. And the best part? It's almost ready for prime time, with a stable launch expected in September. But here's where it gets controversial. Google considers these betas suitable for general use, which might raise some eyebrows among tech enthusiasts. After all, betas are usually associated with developer previews, not everyday users. So, is this a sign that Google is confident in its stability, or is it a risky move? Let's dive into what's fixed in this month's release. Issue resolution asterisk. Reduce task list corruption causing restarts? Fixed. Issue IDs 420999948 for 263160038. Launcher not displaying properly? No more. Issue IDs 428088033 for 2840565 for 2981781. Notification display issues? Solved. Issue IDs 4217925338, for 227492237, for 2041870, for 2889647. Media player in the notification pull-down not functioning? Not anymore. Issue IDs 419184923, for 218799049, for 218100067, for 23172198, for 225600004, for 2411627. Full phone restarts due to class loader issues? History. Issue ID 427676713. Kernel issues causing restarts? Fixed. Issue IDs 408888279, for 099499346, for 099601997, for 106246110, for 07373090, for 300955518. Camera non-functional at startup with a black screen? Not anymore. Issue IDs for 218708662, for 207259698. Status bar icons missing corner padding? Added. Issue IDs 419573315, for 191349909. Notification shade message folding breaks? Fixed. Issue ID 421366916. So what's the verdict? Is this beta ready for everyday use? Or are there still some hidden bugs waiting to be discovered? If you're a Pixel user, you can join the Android beta program to install this update. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can flash or sideload it. The choice is yours. And this is the part most people miss. Google has provided specific OTA, over-the-air, download links for various Pixel devices, including the Pixel 9a, 9 Pro Fold, 9 Pro XL, 9 Pro, 9, 8a, 8 Pro, 8, Fold, Tablet, 7a, 7 Pro, 7, 6a, 6 Pro, and 6. So, are you ready to give Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 a try? Remember, it's all about testing and providing feedback to help improve the Android experience. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Are you excited about this update, or do you prefer to wait for the stable release? Let's discuss. 3. Android 16 Beta 3 Update. Top 9 Bug Fixes for Pixel Devices. Imagine waking up to a fully functional Android device, free from the frustration of bugs and glitches. But here's where it gets interesting. Google has just taken a massive leap towards making that dream a reality with the release of the Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 update for Pixel devices. This latest update not only moves us closer to the stable release expected in September, but also promises to be the true big Android 16 update many have been waiting for, especially with the introduction of Material 3 Expressive. The Android 16 QPR1 Beta 3 update is now available as BP 31.250610.004 for most Pixel devices. However, Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro users will receive a slightly different version, marked as BP 31.250610.004.A1, following their surprising exclusion from the July update. This move highlights Google's commitment to ensuring that all compatible devices receive the necessary updates. At the heart of this update are 9 significant bug fixes, addressing a myriad of issues that were plaguing users. These fixes include Routeu's task list corruption * previously causing phone restarts. This issue has been resolved, marking a significant improvement in device stability. Launcher display issues * the problem of the launcher not displaying properly has been fixed, ensuring a smoother user experience. Notification display issues * several problems with notification display have been addressed, including issues with notification messages and the notification shade. Media Player functionality *. The media player in the notification pull-down now works correctly, providing users with a seamless control experience. Class loader issues *. Full phone restarts caused by class loader problems have been rectified. Kernel issues *. Kernel-related issues leading to restarts have been resolved, further enhancing device reliability. Camera startup issues *. The camera no longer fails to function at startup, eliminating the frustrating black screen issue. Status bar icons *. Missing corner padding for status bar icons has been restored for a more visually appealing interface. Notification shade message folding *. This feature, which was previously broken, now functions correctly. This Beta 3 update is available for a wide range of devices, including the Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 6a, 7, 7 Pro, 7a, Fold, 8, 8 Pro, 8a, 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, 9 Pro Fold, 9a, and the Pixel tablet series. The inclusion of the Pixel 6a in this update is particularly notable, as its future was uncertain following recent performance updates. While users can access factory images and OTA files, the easiest way to get the update is through the Android Beta program. As we dive deeper into this update, it will be interesting to see how it impacts battery life and overall user experience. And this is the part most people miss. The real test of this update lies in its ability to address subtle yet frustrating issues that users face daily. But here's the question: will this update truly deliver on its promise of a more stable and enjoyable Android experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below.